Hey friends, April Davis here with April Davis Creations, and it's time for another sneak peek spotlight. This time I'm going to spotlight our kits. So if you're local to where I live in Spring Hill, Kansas, and if you're local, I do a kit and chat soiree night once a month. It's the last Tuesday of the month, so the next kit and chat soiree is January the 27th. And at the Kit and Chat Soiree, we create with the kits. I have dozens of kits on hand, and the guests get to come and pick the kit that they want to utilize, and we sit around and we chat. I have snacks, and we just have a fun evening of creating, and they go home with some beautiful cards. So, you don't have to attend a kit and chat soiree in order to enjoy the kits. So I wanted to give you kind of a sneak peek of what these kits are like, because when you look at them in the catalog and when you look at them online, you think they're pretty, but oh my gosh, when you start working with them and creating with them, you see them in a whole different light. So the one that I'm going to show you tonight is one that's not available. I know that's not good, but it's just an example, right? We've got other birthday kits. This is the birthday sparkle kit. And when you get a kit, you get an instruction sheet. So you can open it up and it will give you instructions step by step how to create your cards. And it tells you how to do your stamping. It shows you where to put your dimensionals. It shows you where to put your little glue dots. Everything is inclusive in this kit. So for the birthday sparkle kit, for example, you've got your stamp set. We've got some balloons. It's your birthday. Happy cake day. It also came with dimensionals, little glue dots, and some twine. This is black and white twine. It came with the envelopes. Look at how pretty these envelopes are with the gold trim on them. And then there's lots of punch outs. So I'm just going to show you. I've created a few of these cards and I don't have these done yet, but I can just show you some of the punch outs that come with this. So everything you need is included in this kit. Candles, look at the gold here. This is for the flames to the candles, and just so fun. Here's some card bases, some more card bases. This is for your cupcakes. So I've still got a lot of cards that I can create with this. I need to get busy. And then you've got some additional card bases, okay? But now I did create some of these cards, and you've got to see what they look like. Look at this little cupcake. It's a tag, actually. It's got a little hole in it, so you've got a little tag. How fun is that? Here's another tag. Because, you know, you've got gifts for birthdays, right? So they gave you the makings to create tags for the birthdays. And here's one of the cards that you create. And of course, paired with the envelope, how pretty is that? Stamping the little tassels to the balloons. And then here's another card with the candles on it. Happy cake day. How fun is that? And again, paired up. So this is an example of what you would get in a kit. And most of the kits you're making anywhere from 8 to 9 cards, sometimes more, but you have everything that you need. And so we sit down at our kit and chat soirees and we just create and go home with some fun cards. Now, I want to show you some other kits that we've got as well. All of the information can be found at aprildaviscreations.com. Just go to my online store, and that will help you with kits. Because again, you don't have to attend a kit and chat soiree in order to receive a kit. But I wanted you to see what these kits actually look like. So here's some kits. This is, let me pull this one out. This is not open, but this is available. It's called So Much to Celebrate kit. You've got 3 cards, 6 cards, and then even some of the longer slimline cards, 3 cards here. And you're gonna get, look at these little ladybugs that come with it. And your glue dots, you've got envelopes. I can see the envelopes, I can see the card bases, but it comes nice and condensed in this little package. But in this little package is so much goodness because you can create all of these different cards. All right, let's look at another one. Oh, this one's fun. I'm actually going to create this card, so I'm going to open it up for you. I'm not going to create it in front of us today, but I do want to create these cards. Let the adventure begin. Driving by to say hello. Enjoy the journey. Look at the coordinating. So let's go ahead and open this one up since I know that I'm going to be creating this card. And I'm going to show you what is in this card kit. So let's go ahead and get this done. For some reason, I'm just not struggling, but my scissors just aren't helping me out. Okay, so let's pull this down. Everything's packaged up so nice and neat. And this particular set doesn't have any stamping. So you actually have kits that have stamping and stamps, and then you have kits that you put together that don't have stamping and stamps. So here's the envelopes. Look at how pretty these envelopes are. Oh, and what have I got? I've got something else here that I picked up. Oh, it was hiding some of the inserts that we're going to be utilizing. So again, oh my goodness. Okay, so there's 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. And then here are our card bases. So here's 3 card bases, some more inserts. We'll look at those in just a second. 3 card bases here, some ephemera. The little vehicles are ephemera. And then more card bases. And then, of course, I just showed you the ephemera. Look, I just found the cars. How fun are these? And so the instructions will share with us how we can utilize the ephemera with our cards. Trees, balloons, luggage. Fun, fun. Okay, then you've also got some sentiments. So you're not doing any stamping. You're going to use the sentiments, and they're in different languages. So maybe you've got some friends that live in France or in Canada. This might come in handy for you. But you've also got the English version as well. So you've got your sentiments, and then we've got some little tags. These are, I'm guessing, the scenic. You've got a drive that you're going on, right, with your cars, and so you've got different scenes. So we've got one by the ocean, we've got one by the mountains, and we've got one in the city. So fun. Plus we have a full sheet of dimensionals and glue dots. And of course, you get your instructions. So when I get ready to put this kit together, I can follow the instructions step by step and have so much fun getting this put together, which I will because I love this little set. So let me show you some other ones. I'm just giving you sneak peeks of what you can expect if you attend a kit and chat soiree with me. You get to pick. Like I said, I've got dozens of kits, so you're not held to one kit. You can buy 1, 2, 3, however many kits you want, but you get to pick and choose. So here's another kit that I thought that I would enjoy sharing with you. These do come in the boxes, but I transfer them over to bags just so that you can actually see. It's hard to see through a box, right? So when I'm at craft fairs and things like that, people can't see in the boxes, so I put these in the bags so you can see. But this is a fun one because it is a memory notebook kit. So this is a great gifting kit. You can do it for yourself to document a fun trip that you were on or a fun activity that you did. But this is also a great kit to gift. But look at all the fun stuff that comes in it. You've got your stamping block because we know we're going to be stamping. The ink that came with this one is Parakeet Party. You've got your tape. This looks like some silver tape of some sort. And then you can see the notebook here, more silver, and then, the various pages that go in it. Plus, of course, you also have your stamps. So these say, love this, the best, yay, it's a good day. Let's see, shine on, start somewhere, high five, smile every day, beautiful, shake it off, and then some fun little images. So this is a fun kit, not only for you to create with, but also to gift. So one example there, and I think I've got maybe one more example perhaps that I can give you. Oh, I do have one more example I'm going to share with you. And this happens to be a perpetual calendar. So look at this and how fun this is. I'm gonna pull all of this out of my bag. You get your Stampin' Spot, which is Pretty Peacock. You have stamps for the months. Oh my goodness, I can actually use these after I'm done with my perpetual calendar because I scrapbook a lot. January, February, October, all of the months are here. So how fun is that? Then you've got your block and you've got various ephemera. I can see it. I'm not going to open it right now, but you've got different cardstock and ephemera and things that you can use. And then you've got, let me see if I can open this up just to show you because I could seal it back up. Perhaps. Give me just a second. I got to get a good grasp on it. Normally I don't have this trouble, but we'll get there. All right, let me pull this. Okay, got it. All right, so I'm going to open this up. And inside, of course, we've got the instructions. That helps us. This is for your kit for your stamps, and the nice part about it is obviously I ordered English, but you could order French or German as well. And then my instructions that tell me, oh, look at this, tell me what I need to do in order to create each of my pages. How pretty is this? Oh my goodness. How great is it to be organized for your cards? You know, it's like how many birthdays, and I'm actually, this is going to be fun for me because I have a birthday club starting this year, and I've got people signing up for my birthday card. Just a little plug if you're interested. I've got a page out at aprildaviscreations.com. You can sign up for my birthday club, and you'll see all the perks that come with my birthday club. But I can go ahead and set this up for January and put all the names of the people that signed up for my birthday club. And it's not decorated yet, but if you follow the instructions that come with, you're going to be able to do all that decorating yourself to have a beautiful calendar, perpetual calendar that you will able to use year after year. Maybe I decide to use this for my family as well. I'll have to get another one, and then I can have all my grandkids and my kids and their spouses and everybody that I celebrate birthdays with. So just another example of a fun kit. We have kits that aren't just cards. So if you're local and you're free on January the 27th, my Kitten Chat Soiree is scheduled to start at 6:30. I would love to have you join us. Just let me know that you're coming. We'll have fun time, just enjoying each other's company, sharing snacks, and creating. If not, but you like these kits, certainly go out to my store and check them out. Do in the search bar, put kits, and you'll see we have some amazing kits out there, and they are so fun. So hopefully this sneak peek helped you to see what types of kits we have and what really is in the kits. So thank you again for joining me, and I will see you on the next sneak peek. Bye everyone.